Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ngayon ng reaksyon itong statement ni Senate President Chis Escudero tungkol sa pirma ng Pangulong Marcos sa 2025 budget. Ito ipinost ng GMA News 9 hours ago. So ito yung, basahin ko muna sa GMA News Senate President Francis Chis Escudero said the approval of the 2025 National Budget Law signals a vibrant checks and balances system in the government as he welcomed the signing of the General Appropriations Act for next year. In a statement, Escudero noted President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr.'s remark that the people's inputs was taken into account in reviewing the 2025 GAA, saying this is a positive sign that the President listens and that democracy is well and alive in the country. Okay? So ito yung exact statement ng Senate President. Basahin ko. If governance is defined as allocating scarce resources, then I am truly elated and encouraged that the people and all the branches of government took an active part in governance and governing of our country, period. This is precisely what democracy means, and that it shows that we have a strong one where the system of checks and balances is alive and well. Senate President Francis Escudero. Okay. So, when it comes to check and balances, yes, nangyari nga. Kailang ang tanong, yung resulta. Bineto, okay? May mga tinanggal. Kailan, paano yung mga binawasan, yung mga importanteng sectors of society na nangangailangan ng pondo, hindi naman nagawa ng remedyo. Totoo nga. Check and balances. Ni-review. Review. So, magkano ang tinanggal? Only 26 billion. Yung insertion sa DPWH. Yung sinasabi na 194 billion na bineto ng presidente. According to Attorney Harry Roque, wala daw, yung dalawa kasi yan yung 194 billion, 26 billion galing sa DPWH, 168 billion galing sa unappropriated funds. So ang talagang naveto lang, ang talagang natanggal, yung 26 billion, dahil may pundo yun sa DPWH. Yun, talagang inalis. Yung 168 billion, walang pundo yun. So, ano ang nabeto doon? Wala ngang pundo eh. So, yun po ang opinion ni Attorney Roque na not counted yung 168 billion na tinanggal sa unappropriated funds. Kumusta yung PhilHealth? Wala pa rin, zero pa rin. Yun nga ang inirereklamo ng taong bayan, yung PhilHealth, yung zero subsidy. Na kahit anong paliwanag ng Pangulo, na huwag daw tayong mag-alala, wala daw mawawala sa serbisyo ng PhilHealth, madadagdagan pa. Wala pa rin. Ang taong bayan, di mo maalis yung pag-alala. Zero budget ang PhilHealth. Up to now, zero budget pa rin. Yung Malasakit Center, wala ng pundo. Paano na ang kalusugan? Yung computerization program ng DepEd na 10 billion, wala pa rin. Sabi daw, hahanapan daw ng paraan. Okay? Yung 4Ps na 50 billion na tinanggal, wala pa rin. Nando ka. So, kawawang mga beneficiaries ng 4Ps. Yung military AFP modernization. So, I don't know kung ano yung sinasabi nila na nakinig daw ang Pangulo sa hinaing ng taong bayan. Ang nakita ko lang na ginawa is yun lang, yung 26 billion Yung AKAP, nandyan pa rin. Although, sinasabi na conditional implementation daw. Kaya lang, how sure are we na maganda yung pag-implement nila? Kahit sabihin mong gagawa sila ng specific guidelines. Sabi ng UP professor, si Professor JC Batumbakal, walang assurance daw na makagagawa sila ng magandang mekanismo para hindi mawaldas yung AKAP program. So, still considered na most corrupt budget pa rin ito ayon sa mga eksperto. Si Professor Cielo Magno, ito yung Professor Batong Bayan, yung Makati Business Club. Nanawagan sila na i-restore yung mga pundo. Wala rin eh. So yung mga nagmanifesto, Makati Business Club, yung UP alumni, yung mga retired PME generals, ang panawagan ng retired generals, ibalik ang budget sa BICAM. Wala rin. Pati ang mga Makabayan Black nagkilos proteste kaagad dahil wala daw itong budget na ito. Yung mga religious leaders, mga obispo, mga kaparian, self-serving budget daw ito. Okay? So anyway, magbasa tayo dito sa mga people who reacted dito sa statement ni Senate President. 4,200 people who reacted. Ilan ang naniwala? Ilan ang tumawa? Okay. Out of 4,200, 2,800 ang tumatawa, 783 ang galit. So this is 3,600. Ang nag-like lang is 458. Ibig sabihin, around 95% galit or tinatawanan itong statement ng Senate President. Hindi sila naniniwala nga, anong sabi niya? Buhay na buhay daw ang demokrasya sa ating bansa. Makikita dito. Mabuti at may feature na ganito itong sa Facebook. Makikita mo ang... Okay, so magbasa tayo ng mga ilang comments. Luis Calalang, no more of this kind of politicians. Okay. Team Paulino, this is not the same cheese from the Arroyo years. Raymond Romeo Porques Hismana, hallmark sign of corruption in Congress is when public works budget increases while health and education decreases. This is true to all democratic nations. Habib Sanki, today's politicians think speeches make good politicians, but they are actually only good at ulterior motives. Roy Olsen de Leon, vibrant corruption is the more appropriate description of the process. It has sealed corruption and you are part of it. Cheese. Neas Rodriguez, Pinoy lawmakers are the first law breakers. Pedro Gonzalez, the worst budget in Philippine history ever, cause zero budget for PhilHealth. Government counterpart for PhilHealth is a must. John Michael Ortega, What is he saying? Is he blind or what? Corrupt politicians bickering over the hard-earned money collected from the people. He's telling you that we have a strong democracy and that it has a working system that checks and balances. Again, what the... medyo masama yung sabi niya. Huwag ko nang basahin. Herrera Fidel, no reason to be a Senate President, lack of knowledge and principles. Nads Fortuno, Philippines are rich but people are poor because of corruption. Real talk lang tayo. So, dito sa comments, halos lahat negative comments para sa Senate President. Sa people who reacted, 95% tinatawanan lang or galit sa statement na ito ng Senate President.